Welcome to kidsacademy.mobi.
Hello everyone, let's open the worksheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can find the link to this app in comments below. Alright, so we have Adjective Hunt Halloween Maze. This looks like fun. Adjectives are descriptive words, and I love adjectives because they're the juicy stuff. They're the stuff that describes a person, place, or thing. Let's look at the directions here. The first one says, help the ghost reach the spooky house. So we've got our ghost right here, and we're going to try to help him reach this house down here. And it says, draw a line to lead him through all the descriptive words. So we're going to start right here with our ghost, and we're going to go through this kind of little maze. What is our first word? Our first word is gloomy. Think about gloomy when things are kind of sad or down or sometimes dark. They're gloomy. Now we're going to go to the next one. The next one is old. Is old a descriptive word? Yep, it describes something, okay? The old person or the old shoe. All right, let's look for the next one. Now, which way do we go here? Do we go to witch, like a witch, evil witch, or do we go to quiet? Think about which would describe something. Maybe the quiet cemetery. That describes something. So we're going to go on to this one, quiet. And then the next one is wet, maybe a wet field or a wet sock. Okay, and then we're going to go down here. Now we can go one of two ways. We can either go this way or we can go this way. This one is bat. Is bat a descriptive word? Nope, bat is a noun. It is a person, place, or thing. So we're going to go on to the next one. The next one is nasty. Ooh, look at that nasty piece of broccoli. Ooh, nasty. Okay, go on to the next one. Let's go around the corner here. And we can either go to fly or black. Let's think about that. A fly, like a little bug that's flying around, or black. Which one is a descriptive word? Black. Black is a color. A color describes the way something looks. The black witch's hat or the black boots. Okay, now we're going to go around here, and now we can either go back to fly, which we already said that wasn't one, so we're going to go on this way. We're going to go this way to cold. The cold hand. Ooh, okay. And then, I could have gone down this way. I forgot this one here. This one is skull, but skull is a thing, a skull. So we're going the right way. We're going to go down here, and then we can either go to dark or catch. Think about that one. Which is the word that describes something? If you were going down a hallway, a dark hallway, that would describe the hallway. Or catch, to catch a bug. Nope, that's an action, so that one's not the right one. We need descriptive words. We're going to dark right over here. And then from here, I can either go to skull, or I could go to hunt, or I could go to small. Which one do you think it is? Skull? Skull is a thing, so that one won't work. Small, the small kitty cat, or hunt. I'm gonna hunt for the mouse. Well, that's not a descriptive word. That's an action. So we need to go over to small. Here we go. And then we're going to go around the corner and back down. And then we run into a choice. We've got glow or pale. And I'll think about that one. Those both kind of sound like descriptive words, but let's think about it. If something glows, it is doing something. So that's not a word that describes it. But pale, the pale ghost or the pale person, we're going to go down to pale right down here. Okay, that describes something. And now we've got three choices. We've got hunt, spider, or old. Well, hunt, we already said was an action when we ran into that before, so that won't work. A spider is a thing or an animal, right? So that won't work. And then old, ooh, the old spooky mansion. That works. That describes something. So we're going to go to old. And then we've got two choices. We can either go to the monster, ooh, or we can go to the scary house. Which one describes something? Scary. Scary is the descriptive word. So we're going to bring that on over to scary. And we have reached our spooky house. Nice job. That one was lots of fun. See you later. Bye.
Like us and subscribe to our channel.
Find links to our apps in comments below.